Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a truck tire by hand. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a sturdy jack, a lug wrench, and your fully inflated spare tire. Safety is paramount, so park your truck on a flat, stable surface, well away from moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unexpected movement during the process. Now, let's get ready to lift the truck. Before jacking, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the truck's frame, close to the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ideally about 6 inches high, allowing easy removal. With the truck lifted, it's time to remove the flat tire. Finish unscrewing all the lug nuts and place them in a safe spot, like your hubcap. Then, firmly grasp the flat tire and pull it straight off the wheel studs. It might be heavy, so be prepared. Now, take your spare tire, align its holes with the wheel studs, and carefully push it onto the hub. Hand tighten each lug nut until it's snug. Almost done, gently lower the truck until the spare tire makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern, ensuring even pressure. Once they are snug, fully lower the truck and remove the jack and wheel chocks. Don't forget to check the spare tire's air pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a permanent repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.